I just had to let you know you're.
Assalamualaikum and good morning to everyone. This is our group members. My name is Nurul Ain Fazana binti Zawawi, matrix number AA252140, and our second group members is Muhammad Zinki Adrian Shah bin Tahiron, matrix number AA250621, and third list is Nafis bin Fajri, matrix number AA250701. Good morning everyone. Our project is based on household mechanical product, which is a pair of scissors. Scissors are commonly used for cutting paper, fabric and other materials in daily life. This project was carried out to understand the product structure, component, function and assembly arrangement. In addition, the project helped us apply engineering drawing, knowledge and AutoCAD skills to create technical drawings of a real product. So our objective for this project was to apply engineering drawing standards and CAD techniques in technical drawing preparation. Secondly, to identify and analyze all basic components of the scissor products, and to measure the dimension of each component accurately using appropriate instruments. So the selected product is a pair of scissors. Scissors consist of two cutting blades connected by a pivot rivet and equipped with handle for user control. The main function of it is to cut various materials such as paper, cardboard, plastic sheets, and fabric. They are widely used at home, at schools, office, and many industrial applications because they are simple, practical, and easy to operate. The working principle of scissor is based on a simple lever mechanism. The pivot rivet acts as the fulcrum, while the handles act as the effort arm and the blade acts as the load arm. When force is applied to the handles, the blades rotate around the pivot and create a cutting action. The sharp edges of the blades slide against each other, allowing materials placed between them to be cut efficiently and smoothly. So as you can see, we are highlighting the blades. We have two blades and the nuts and the nut and handle 1 and handle 2.
So hi, my name is Nafis. So now I'm going to present the engineering materials and manufacturing processes. So there are three components in our project, which is the blades, handles and also pivot nut. So for the blades, the material used is stainless steel and it has high strength, resistance to corrosion, wear resistance, long service life and also maintains sharp cutting edges. And the manufacturing processes is by metal stamping, cutting, grinding, polishing and also heat treatment. So what is it? It is purpose. It is to perform cutting operation. And for the handles, it is made out of plastic and it is lightweight, durable, impact resistant, ergonomic and also comfortable for the user to help. For the manufacturing process, it has used injection molding and the function of it is to provide grip and also user comfort. Last but not least, for the pivot nut, the material used is steel. It is strong, durable and capable of maintaining secure fastening. And the manufacturing processes is machining and also shredding. The purpose of the pivot nut is to connect the blades and also allow rotational movement. So next, I'm going to talk about the CAD and standards. So AutoCAD was used to create the 2D and 3D drawings of our scissors. So what does CAD helps us? It helps us improve drawing accuracy and also efficiency. It allows easy modification of dimensions and design. Orthographic drawings show the front, top and also side views, while isometric drawings provide a 3D view of the product. Engineering standards will follow to ensure clear and professional drawings. So next, we are going to talk about the project workflow. First and foremost, our group did a project selection where we choose our item, which is the scissors. And next, we disassembly the scissors and we did the measurement of the scissors. And next, we do the sketching of our disassembly product, and we did CAD modeling and also assembly in the CAD. Next, before the last step, we did technical drawing, and for the last step, which is report writing. So now I'm going to talk about the disassembly procedure and also tooling. So the tools used in our project has 3 tools, which is ruler, screwdriver and also marker pen. And for the procedure, firstly, we inspected the scissors to identify all major components. Secondly, the pivot screw connecting the blades was removed using the screwdriver. Thirdly, the 2 blades and handle sections were separated carefully. Fourth is each component was cleaned and examined for measurement purposes. And for the 5th step, all parts were labeled to avoid confusion during the CAD modeling process. And for the last step, the components were arranged systematically before measurement was carried out. So the last slide that I'm going to present is about the metrology and measurement. So before the measurement, the scissors were disassembled carefully, and a steel ruler was used to measure each component of the scissors after the assembly. So the measurements include blade length, handle size, and overall dimensions. So each measurement was taken 3 times for accuracy. The average value was used for CAD modeling from the 3 measurements taken. So lastly, all dimensions were recorded and transferred into AutoCAD. That's all from me. So the next slide, I'm going to pass to my friend Muhammad Zinki bin Adlan Shah.
Alright, thank you Nafis for the brilliant presentation just now. Now we moving on to a physical component identification. For the first and second component, we have a handle 1 and handle 2, and for the third component, we have blade, and the fourth component, we have a nut. For the next slide is product analysis and bill of materials. So for the first and second item, we have a component name handle 1 and handle 2, which both have a quantity of 1. Both of it are made from plastic, and the function is as a user grade. For the third item is a blade with a quantity of 2, made from stainless steel, and the function is for cutting material. And lastly, for item number 4, we have a pivot joint with a quantity of 1, made from stainless steel. So for the function is to connect blade and allow the blade to rotate. Moving on to isometric and orthographic drawing. For my team, we are using an AutoCAD apps. Inside that, it contains front, top, side and isometric view. It shows all scissors components assembled together, which contain blades, handles and pivot rivet. For isometric view, it shows the 3D shape model, and for the orthographic view, it shows the dimension object. We designed the scissors simple and easy to use. For the last slides, I'm going to talk about conclusion and recommendations. For conclusion, our scissors project was successfully completed in AutoCAD. We managed to identify, analyze and measure all components of the scissors properly. We also successfully produced both orthographic and isometric drawings based on measurement taken. Throughout this project, we improved our CAD drawing, measuring and technical drafting skills. Besides that, we also gain a valuable knowledge in engineering drawing and product assembly, especially in understanding how different parts work together in real product. For the recommendations, in future project, we suggest using more accurate measurement tools such as digital vernier caliper to improve measurement precision. We also will continue practicing AutoCAD to improve our CAD skill and efficiency. In addition, choosing more complex products in future can help us gain deeper engineering knowledge and challenge our technical abilities. Better time management is also important to ensure the project can be completed smoothly and on schedule. Lastly, exploring advanced CAD features can help improve engineering analysis and produce more professional drawings. That's all from me and my group. Thank you.